In this video, I'll show you how I plan my 6 a.m. productive morning routine in Notion. This routine helps me stay focused, get important things done, and connect with myself. I list my tasks for the day, keeping it simple so I can focus on what matters. I also set priorities for my tasks using Notion's priority text. This way, I can see which tasks need my attention first. I use labels like high, medium, and low priority. I keep my task list visible all day so I always know what to focus on next. This keeps me on track and prevents me from getting overwhelmed. To plan my morning routine, I use time blocking. It helps me manage my time efficiently, and here's how I block my day. I have 2 workout sessions, one at home and one at the gym. This keeps me consistent with my fitness goals. After my workout, I have breakfast and get ready for the day. This includes showering, dressing up, and any other personal care activities. This is my first deep work session of the day. I focus on important tasks that need concentration and creativity. During this time, I avoid all distractions. After lunch, I have another deep work session. This helps me keep making progress on key projects without distractions. I take a short break to do something relaxing at 2 or 30 p.m. This helps me recharge before the next work block. At 4 p.m., I have an early dinner every day actually. I usually work again at night. This time is for less intensive work like planning for the next day, brainstorming new ideas, or finishing any task I couldn't complete during the day. During my midday check-in, I look at my to-do list to see what I've finished and what still needs to be done. I have filmed the morning routine part in Notion, and now I'm filming this afternoon part. I've also finished writing the script and taking the thumbnail photo. I've done some tasks I didn't plan this morning, so I'll add those to my to-do list. In Notion, you can sort your to-do list by what's completed, which moves the done tasks to the bottom. This helps me focus on what's left to do. It also gives me a clear view of my progress and keeps me motivated. By seeing how much I've already done, I can stay on track and adjust my priorities for the rest of the day. In this part, I'll show you some daily journal and daily tracking in Notion, including habits, supplements, sleep, and workout tracker. Notion is great for tracking daily activities. You can easily check off completed tasks, see your progress, and stay organized. First, I track my habits by checking off what I've done today. I also track my sleep. I've had sleep problems in the past few months and my schedule was a mess, but I realized how important it is to get enough sleep. Good sleep improves focus, my mood, and overall health. For supplements, I take one multivitamin each day. I didn't take it yesterday because I'm still figuring out if it affects my health. For my workout, I did the same activities as yesterday, so I just copied them over. Using Notion for daily journaling is a great idea because it lets you organize and track different parts of your day in one place. In my daily journal, I include affirmations, gratitude entries, daily highlights, mood tracking, and even my water intake. I link all of these to my daily trackers in Notion. This setup helps me see all my daily activities and reflections, making it easier to stay organized and focused on personal growth. By organizing my day in Notion, I can stay productive and balanced. This routine keeps me on track and helps me reach my goals while living a healthy lifestyle. I hope this helps you plan your own productive day. I'll link this Notion Life to Sport template in the description for you. And thanks for watching.